This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Laura C. Narot. Enjoy peaceful living in this 3-bed/2.5-bath pool home on a serene canal with 2-car garage in a central neighborhood with no HOA. Vaulted natural cedar ceilings, spacious bedrooms, open floor plan, walk-in closet, sizable kitchen, freshly painted inside and out. Hurricane protected with hurricane shutters and panels. Sprinkler system. Close to shopping, restaurants and highways. Roof is 18 years, air conditioner is 2016, hot water heater is 2000. Bring your boat hook up to the boat winch and fish down the canal for a lovely afternoon. Don't miss out on the opportunity to make this your home. For more information, review the details below or contact Laura C. Narot at 954-369-0384.